Hello.
You know Mark from the great Teen Wolf, Teen Wolf 2, Pee-wee's Big Adventure, Leprechaun, just to name a few. We're here with Mark Holton right now at the Sun Ray Theater in Tampa. Mark is here, and he's going to be hanging out for a while, so come see, we've got some great stuff. That. You get to meet the man, the myth, the legend himself. Get over here. Yeah, Mark is the man.
For the director, and I was cast, and I don't think there was any casting involved with part two. That pretty much